Welcome, Poke fans, and thank you for joining me today. Today, we're going to be finishing off our last 3 packs of the first booster box that I had for Powdy Evolve. Then, starting tomorrow, we will work on our next one. And let's see if we get something good out of that one. And let's see if we can get something out of our last 3 packs from the first booster box. I think I've only gotten like one SIR from the full booster box that I can remember. But other than that, nothing really too big. So let's see if we can get something nice today. And as always, my name is Ice Dragon 0.04. Let's see if we can get some nice packs today. Hopefully these last 3 are going to end in a high note. And let's see what we get today. Thunder Energy, Citadel, Fuecoco, Wattrol, Think, Kilowattrol, Azumarill, Vespa Queen, Wattrol again, and we got the Fetchinder illustration rare. Nice. And the Horiyama, no one cares about that one. But we got a nice illustration rare of the Fetchinder. Nice little birdie next to the Campfire. Nice. Alright, we managed to get ourselves a first pack magic. Let's see what we got ourselves on the second one. Let's see what we get for our second pack. Hopefully it's a nice hit. Hopefully, we can only hope. Water Energy, Hoppip, Wooper, Noibat, Cumby, Kilowattrol, Azumarill, Vespiquen, Wigglytuff, Slack Off, into the Wigglytuff again. Sadly, we didn't get anything for our second one. Let's see if we can get that last pack magic today. Let's see if we get that last pack magic. Darkness Energy, Shroodle, Glimmet, Bramblin, Shinx, SQ, Iono, Nutslack, Quaxwell, Bravery Charm, into the Hydreigon. Sadly, no big finale for the first booster box. I think I started off strong and slowly just went down. But oh well. We managed to get ourselves a nice Fetchinder illustration rare here. Looks really nice. Sadly, it is a little off-centered, but still a nice looking card regardless. Thank you for joining me today. And today is for, where's my marker? 227. 227. But yeah, starting tomorrow, we will work our way into the next booster box. And let's see if we can get something nice from Paldea Evolved in that segment. Take care, have fun, and bye-bye.